Memories of time, the everlasting steps of Qingming.
What is Qingming Festival?
Qingming Festival, also known as Tomb Sweeping Day, is an important traditional Chinese festival. It usually falls on April 4th or 5th each year. On this day, people honor their ancestors by visiting their graves and also enjoy spring outings.
History and origins.
The history of Qingming Festival dates back more than 2,500 years. It is believed to be associated with Jie Zichui, a loyal official in the spring and autumn period. Over time, it evolved into a festival for ancestor worship and spring outings.
Customs and activities. Tomb sweeping and ancestor worship.
The most important tradition of the Qingming Festival is tomb sweeping and ancestor worship. Families visit their ancestors' graves and perform the following rituals. Cleaning the tombstone. Offering tributes. Burning incense and paper money.
Spring outing and enjoying nature.
Qingming Festival, also called Spring Outing Festival, happens in spring when people enjoy outdoor activities. Common outing activities. Flying kites. Flower viewing and photography.
Ancestor worship and temple visits.
In addition to tomb sweeping, many people worship their ancestors at home or visit temples to pray for family blessings. Home offerings. Temple visits.
Festivals similar to Qingming Festival. Mexico, Day of the Dead.
Date, November 1st, Day of the Innocents, and November 2nd, Day of the Dead. Customs and activities. Building altars. Tomb visits. Face painting and parades.
Japan, Obon Festival.
Date, usually from August 13th to 16th, some regions celebrate in July. Customs and activities. Welcoming and sending off spirits. Bon dance. Floating lanterns.
South Korea, Chuseok.
Date, lunar August 15th. Customs and activities. Tomb visits and ancestral rites. Family gatherings. Representative food. Chilled porridge. Kimbap. Sweet rice cake. Korean pancake.
Philippines, All Souls Day.
Date, November 1st, All Saints Day, and November 2nd, All Souls Day. Customs and activities. Tomb visits and overnight vigils. Music and food at cemeteries. Some families bring musical instruments to cemeteries, singing and having picnics in a more relaxed atmosphere.
3 Legends of Qingming Festival. Jie Zichui and the Cold Food Festival.
During the spring and autumn period, the loyal minister Jie Zichui sacrificed his own flesh to save Duke Wen of Jin. After becoming king, Duke Wen forgot to reward him. Jie retreated to the mountains, and when the king set fire to the forest to find him, he perished. Regretting his actions, the king declared the Cold Food Festival, banning fire usage, which later became part of Qingming Festival.
Willow branches ward off evil.
It is said that on Qingming Festival, spirits return to the human world, and some evil ghosts cause trouble. One night, a young man heard eerie whispers in a cemetery. Remembering his mother's advice that willow branches repel ghosts, he grabbed one, and the spirits vanished. Since then, people hang willow branches at their doors or wear willow wreaths to ward off evil.
The Shepherd Boy and Qingming Rain.
The light rain on Qingming Festival is linked to a kind-hearted shepherd boy who cleaned neglected graves. The deities, moved by his kindness, sent gentle rain every year on this day to nourish the graves, symbolizing the cycle of life and the enduring memory of ancestors.
Interesting facts about Qingming Festival. Qingming Festival used to be a no-fire day.
In ancient times, the day before Qingming Festival was Hanqi Festival, during which people were forbidden to use fire and could only eat cold food. This tradition originated from the legend of Jia Zichui. Hanqi Festival was originally a separate holiday but later merged with Qingming Festival.
Why does it always rain on Qingming Festival?
The Tang Dynasty poet Du Mu wrote, "A drizzling rain falls during Qingming Festival, and travelers feel sorrowful." Many believe it always rains on Qingming, but in reality, this is due to the seasonal transition between cold and warm weather in spring, making rain more common. The Qingming rain has since become a symbol of remembrance.
Using GPS to locate graves.
With advancements in technology, modern cemeteries are becoming more digitally managed. GPS is widely used in graveyard management to help people quickly locate their relatives' tombstones, solving the common issue of getting lost or struggling to find graves in large cemeteries.
Modern adaptations of Qingming Festival.
With changing times, Qingming Festival has evolved into a more diverse and modern tradition. People now adopt more convenient and eco-friendly ways to honor their ancestors. Online ancestral worship. Eco-friendly tomb sweeping.
Common vocabulary for Qingming Festival.
Ancestor worship. Ancestor worship. Ancestral rites. Ancestral rites. Burn incense. Burn incense. Burning paper offerings. Burning paper offerings. Cemetery. Cemetery. Cold food festival. Cold food festival. Drizzling rain. Drizzling rain. Eternal remembrance. Eternal remembrance. Grave. Grave. Joss paper. Joss paper. Offering table. Offering table. Pay respects. Pay respects. Solar term. Solar term. Spring outing. Spring outing. Tomb. Tomb. Tomb sweeping. Tomb sweeping. Willow branches. Willow branches. Willow trees. Willow trees.
Honor our ancestors, pass down filial piety, respect the past, cherish with gratitude. Integrate English learning into your life.